Happy Christmas! Let's make spiral Christmas tree ornament. Cut 10 pieces of each color in the given measurements. Align the strips alternatively and stitch them together. Make sure that you are piercing on the glittery side of the strips. Now do the same for the remaining strips. After stitching, separate them by color. Now spread the strips as I am doing and place the glittery side downward. Now take the bottommost strip of one color and stitch it. And then take the bottommost strip of the other color and stitch it. Now repeat this process with the remaining strips. Now I am making the hanger for the ornament. Add the hanger to the ornament and secure it with the glue. That's it, the spiral ornament is now ready. See you tomorrow. Happy crafting and Merry Christmas!